can't even remember what number we're on now. The 21st word of Mathober is the word cyclotomic. And this is brilliant because this is not a word that I'd ever heard before. But it turns out that there are various cyclotomic things, and cyclotomic polynomials are actually quite a nice set of polynomials, which I guess define almost like factors of polynomials, I guess, if that makes sense. So for the polynomial, let's see if I can try and make a text on here so I can tell you what I'm talking about. So if you've got a polynomial that's x to the n minus 1, like that, that's a polynomial. Let's make that be a thing. There we go. Then it's basically the largest polynomial that's a factor of that without being a factor of any smaller x to the n minus 1. So if you've got, x to the k minus 1 for some smaller value of k, that it's not a factor of that. And it turns out that the cyclotomic polynomials, I'm just going to try and kind of make a few of them here. So f2 of x is x plus 1. So that's what that one looks like. And essentially I want to just plot these so that I can kind of see what they look like. So if n is prime, they tend to just be all the powers up to that prime. So for 3, it's x squared plus x plus 1. Not like that. Come on, Geogebra. You know I didn't mean that. And then for 4, because it's like somehow factors, the 4th one is x squared plus 1. Nope. Like that. And then the 5, I've not actually seen these before, and I kind of just wanted to plot them all just to get my head around what's going on here. So 5 is prime, so this is going to be x to the 4 plus x cubed plus x squared plus x plus 1. Come on, you piece of shit. Plus 1. Like that. And I'm kind of seeing that all of these pass through the point 1, which I guess makes sense because they are all factors of the polynomial x to the n minus 1, which of course has a root at 1. But they're all kind of doing that in slightly different ways. So that's the 5th one. The 6th one, it's kind of intriguing what patterns you get in these. f6 of x is x squared minus, I'm going to make sure I get this right. I'll come on with this x plus 1. So again, passing through the point at 1. I think these are just nice, the little doody polynomials. I like it. Oh, it's 7. That's a prime, so I know what this one's going to be. X to the 6 plus x to the 5 plus x to the 4. No. This is just incompetent typing live. It's not live. It's pre-recorded. Plus x plus 1. And I guess if I knew more about these polynomials, I could tell you about the significance of them, but I just think they're kind of neat. And sort of interesting, and they're kind of factors of polynomials. But that's all I've got time for.